Ukraine destroyed a Russian Mi-28 helicopter worth $19 million with a $400 first-person view FPV drone made by drone maker SkyFall, according to the company. RBC Ukraine, citing a press release from SkyFall, said the attack took place near the village of Vyazov in Russia's Belgorod region, with the 427th Separate Brigade Rarog under Ukraine's Unmanned Systems Forces, USF, operating the drone. Robert Magyar Brovdi, commander of the USF, confirmed the attack took place on Wednesday morning and shared FPV footage of the interception. In it, the drone could be seen flying level with the helicopter before flying up and striking it from above. The company said its Shrike 10 FPV drone was used, which costs $400 per unit, whereas the Mi-28 costs $19 million. Defense Watch estimated that the Mi-28 costs around $15 million per unit. The Mi-28, NATO reporting name, Havoc, is an attack helicopter developed in the 1980s that entered service in the 2000s. It is armed with a 30mm chin-mounted cannon and a range of missiles and rockets primarily used against ground targets. According to Oryx, which tracks visually confirmed equipment losses, at least 20 Mi-28s have been destroyed or damaged since the start of Russia's full-scale invasion, though the true figure is likely higher due to unverified losses. A similar Ukrainian strike took place in September 2025 when a Ukrainian drone struck a Mi-28 helicopter in a similar fashion, with Brovdi attributing it to the USF's 59th Brigade. RBC Ukraine said the Shrike 10, the same model used in Wednesday's attack, was also used in September's strike. SkyFall is one of the better-known Ukrainian drone makers, whose products also include the bomber drones known as the Baba Yaga and interceptor drones called P1-SUN, the latter a Ukrainian wordplay on the male reproductive organs. Earlier on Monday, Reuters reported that Germany is financing 50,000 FPV drones for Ukraine, manufactured by SkyFall and equipped with autonomous targeting software from U.S. firm Auterion in a deal worth 90 million euros, $103 million. President Volodymyr Zelensky said Wednesday that Ukraine is producing 10 million drones a year and is eyeing a production target of 20 million drones with foreign support. In a dramatic development that highlights the rapid evolution of modern warfare, Ukraine has claimed that one of its first-person view, or FPV, drones successfully destroyed a Russian Mi-28 Night Hunter attack helicopter while it was flying over Russia's Belgorod region. If independently confirmed, the strike would represent another milestone in drone warfare, demonstrating how relatively inexpensive FPV drones can threaten one of Russia's most advanced combat helicopters. Ukrainian officials released video footage that they say captures the moment the drone intercepted the helicopter before it crashed to the ground. Today, we'll examine what happened, why this incident matters, and what it could mean for the future of battlefield aviation. According to Ukraine's Unmanned Systems Forces, the attack took place on July 15th over Russia's Belgorod region. Officials stated that operators guided an FPV drone toward a Russian Mi-28 attack helicopter during flight. Video released by Ukrainian sources appears to show the drone approaching the helicopter before impact, after which the aircraft reportedly lost control and crashed. At the time this report was published, Russia had not publicly confirmed the claimed loss, and independent verification of the video remained limited. If verified, the event would add to a growing list of successful Ukrainian drone operations targeting high-value Russian military assets. The Mi-28 is heavily armored to improve crew survivability and has been widely deployed throughout the conflict in Ukraine. Its primary missions include destroying armored vehicles, supporting ground troops, hunting enemy positions, and escorting transport helicopters. With an estimated value of many millions of dollars, the Mi-28 is among Russia's most important battlefield aviation assets. Only a few years ago, few military analysts imagined that commercially inspired FPV drones would become one of the most feared weapons on the battlefield. Unlike conventional military drones, FPV drones are manually piloted through live video goggles. Operators guide them directly toward their targets with remarkable precision. Originally used mainly against tanks and armored vehicles, FPV drones are now being adapted for increasingly complex missions. Ukraine has invested heavily in drone development, producing large numbers of relatively inexpensive systems capable of striking expensive military equipment. Recent battlefield trends show drones increasingly dominating tactical engagements on both sides of the conflict. This is not the first time Ukraine has claimed success against Russian helicopters using drones. Previous operations reportedly damaged or destroyed helicopters both on the ground and during flight. In August 2024, Ukrainian authorities claimed the first successful FPV drone intercept of a helicopter in flight. In April 2026, Ukraine also reported drone strikes against Mi-28 and Mi-17 helicopters at Russian bases. One of the most remarkable aspects of this conflict is the cost imbalance. A modern attack helicopter represents years of development, sophisticated electronics, advanced weapons, and highly trained pilots. By comparison, many FPV drones cost only a tiny fraction of the price of a combat helicopter. Even allowing for variations in equipment and payload, the financial contrast is enormous. This imbalance has forced militaries worldwide to rethink traditional assumptions about battlefield dominance. Large, expensive platforms now face persistent threats from relatively inexpensive unmanned systems. The reported destruction of a Russian Mi-28 attack helicopter by a Ukrainian FPV drone represents another example of how rapidly warfare is changing. While independent verification of this specific incident remains limited and Russian authorities have not publicly confirmed the reported loss, the released footage and Ukrainian claims continue a broader pattern of increasingly sophisticated drone operations. Whether targeting tanks, artillery, naval vessels, or even helicopters, FPV drones are proving capable of threatening military equipment that once appeared far beyond their reach. As both Ukraine and Russia continue adapting their tactics and technologies, drone warfare is likely to remain one of the defining features of this conflict.